Good morning, teacher. How are you? I am also fine. Sit down, please. My dear students, now we are going to start our class sound practice. Today we will know how to utter a sound. Okay? Today's class is very important because not only in English but also all the language. Sound or pronunciation is very important. So I will ask any of the students, and at first you will make sound. Okay? Thank you very much. Okay, class.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, look at me.
1, 2, 3.
Ready?
Yes.
Ready to listen?
Ready to learn.
Okay, thank you very much. I request to Malia, please read out the sound.
Sound practice.
Okay.
S is for shoe.
Okay.
Z is for Jew.
Okay.
Sh is for shoe.
Okay.
S as in present.
Okay.
S is in method.
Okay. Okay, Malia. Thank you. My dear student, please look and listen. আমরা মালিয়ার সাউন্ড কিন্তু আমরা অলরেডি শুনেছি। এবার এই সাউন্ডগুলো কেমন হবে প্লিজ সবাই একটু ভালো করে খেয়াল করবে। Look at the board and listen these sound very attentively and carefully. মালিয়া এটাকে বলছে এস ফর শিপ। এইগুলো আমরা এস বলি, এটা জেড বলি, আবার জিও বলি। তো এর একটা কি আছে, সাউন্ড আছে। এর নাম এটা, কিন্তু এর সাউন্ড ভিন্ন ধরনের। ওকে, সো মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, look at the board carefully and try to understand. Okay. Sound practice 2. Already we have done sound practice 1, and today we will sound practice 2. Look and listen. Sha is for sheep. Sha is for sheep. Tell with me.
Sha is for shoe.
Okay, well done. Jaw is for shoe. Again, tell with me. Jaw is for shoe. No, Juna. Shoe. Listen fast, then you will utter with me. Sha is for shoe. Sha is for shoe. Okay, tell with me. Sha is for shoe. Sha is for shoe. Okay, again.
Sha is for
shoe. Sha এবং জ as in teacher. Jaw as in measure. Jaw as in leisure, leisure, leisure. Keep silent, please, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Look at me.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Ready to listen?
Ready.
Thank you. Shaw, shaw, shaw is for shoe. Is for shoe. Jaw, 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 jaw is for you. Shaw, shaw, shaw is for shoe. Jaw, 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 jaw as in treasure, treasure. Jaw, jaw, jaw as in measure, measure. Jaw, jaw, jaw.
Sound practice 2. Shaw, 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 shaw is for shoe. Jaw, 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 jaw is for shoe. Shaw, 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 shaw is for shoe. Jaw, 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 jaw as in treasure.
Jaw,
Jaw, jaw, jaw as in measure.
jaw, 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 jaw as in leisure. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Maria. Go to your seat. Okay, Hachib, please start.
Sound practice 2. Shaw, 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 shaw is for shoe. Jaw, 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 jaw is for you. Shaw, 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 shaw is for shoe.
Shaw,
Jaw, jaw, jaw is as in treasure.
treasure.
Treasure. Jaw, 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 jaw as in measure. Jaw, jaw, jaw as in laser.
Okay, thank you. Measure your treasure in your leisure. Measure your treasure in your leisure. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much and make a big clap, everybody. Well done. Well done.